Subscribe to Hasnain Tech and press the bell icon.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am unboxing this Samsung Galaxy M21. This is my own mobile phone, so let's get started. You get the phone first, and this is 15 watts fast charger, and this is Type C USB cable. The smartphone looks cool and awesome, but back panel is made of plastic. Let's set up the smartphone. The phone is running smoothly. It comes with Android 10. Let's talk about specs now. Advantages and disadvantages. Here are some photos that I have taken.